Hello, today I'm going to unbox this Colorex watercolour ink discovery kit. In one masterclass is included. There's 4 Colorex markers, a water brush, 4 20ml of Colorex, a fine black marker. All I've done is taken this off, not seen what's in here yet, so let's open this up. No, I've got to do that differently. What have I got to do? I've got to take that off. And then there's me thinking I'd got ahead of myself. There we go. I need to do this side as well. I've done that side. Right, so I've got to do that side. So how does this now open? Well, that's rather nice. Colorex printed. Don't know if you can see that. I quite like that. It's pretty cool. Ah, right, it just slides out. I think that is a really cool box. Okay, so what do we have? Kiaraka Masterclass. And we've got a QR code here to go onto the masterclass, and then we've got a password to join in, so I shall have a go at that. Then we have these 4 Colorex markers. Now this is watercolour ink. I know from reading up a little bit about it that they are proper watercolour, so you can re-wet them once they've dried. So if you've done a piece of work and you want to add some water to it and dilute it or move things. And the thing that is so special about this is they are refillable. Let's turn it the right way up. Rechargeable, refillable. So we have got in here, we have got some colours, and you can refill them. Now actually these are different colours, so these are, alright, okay, so this is a discovery set. So you've got 4 colours there and you've got 4 different colours there, and a pigment liner. I need to discover what the pigment liner is. That's a beautiful fine black pen, that's what that is, a 0.2 black pen. But I know these you can use to refill the pens. We also have a water brush. I know Pebeo's water brushes are fantastic. I've used them before, and the thing with the Pebeo water brushes is they have this non-return valve, so you're never going to suck. If you've got paint on your brush and you squeeze it, it never sucks any of the paint back in. So yeah, they're fantastic. I really like the Pebeo water brushes. There is, hang on. Turn it the opposite way to what you think. So you can fill that up and then pop that on.